SEO Summit Media Center in Tianjin in China, and this is the Science and Technology Immersive Center, and I'm going to take you through an immersive, beautiful, surreal journey where technological advancements have ensured that you can walk into a virtual reality mode and feel as if you're actually present in that very moment in your senses. So let's get this device started. Let me wear this, and with my hand gestures here I'm able to select the video that I want to play. This is the clipping that I want to play, and let's get going, and let's enter into this surreal world of magic that is playing in front of us. And these are some of the most iconic visuals from across the globe, the most iconic buildings from across the globe, the structures, the monuments. This is, in fact, the Qingdao SEO Pearl International Expo Center, and it looks as if I'm actually present over there. I have the bird's eye view of this International Expo Center. So I have to balance myself, because this is obviously, simulation. This is 3D simulation, and it's almost as if I'm on an aircraft and I'm just whizzing past through this beautiful, fantastic monument, which is the central axis of Beijing. Okay, let's move on. There is, let me sit down, because it just sort of disbalances you. And this is the Mir Castle complex. This is in Belarus, and it gives you a very immersive experience. You're actually sitting by that river, watching those beautiful swans. And this is the Taj Mahal in India. And this is just beautiful, stunning views. This is Lake Urmia in Iran. And you have these pelicans. And you take a drive through. This is the Charian Canyon in Kazakhstan. And, as there are these visuals that play in front of you, taking you into this immersive experience, you can actually smell. For example, if I'm here on the seas, this is the Isikkul Lake in Kyrgyzstan. I can actually smell that lake. This is what this immersive experience does for you. This is Karakoram Highway. And it's stunning. This is Moscow. This is the Moscow Kremlin, and the smell reminds you of the snow-covered monuments in Moscow, the Kremlin. This is the Arctic National Park, and we move on, transition to the Fedchenko Glacier. This is Tajikistan, and such stunning views. It's almost as if I can just touch the horse over there. And we quickly shift to Registan Square. This is in Uzbekistan. And again, a beautiful architectural marvel. This is Tian Shan Mountains. It's stunning, it's beautiful, the snow-clad mountains. It's almost as if it's in your reach. And it's just magnificent. It's fantastic. It's unbelievable, so to say, that you can feel these images in front of you. It's almost as if you just supplanted in front of the lake on that bridge. This is the Haihe River. This is in Tianjin. We are in Tianjin right now, and this makes me want to go to the Haihe River in Tianjin and experience it for myself. But this is as close to experiencing it firsthand as you can ever get. So these are some of the most stunning visuals that you see. And it truly is. I'm a little disbalanced, because, it's an immersive experience, and it's a 3D experience. And it just stuns you in so many more ways than one. And yeah, with that, we come to the end of this immersive experience. I have had a fantastic time. It's truly unimaginable that technology can play such an amazing role in transforming our lives, in our visual experiences, and so much more.